and thank you for joining me today. Today I would like to share my new tool and the use of the new tool for support removal. As we know by now, when you 3D print a part, it comes with the supports, and we have to remove the supports. Now, there's different techniques how to remove the supports. Obviously, you can use the hot water technique, where after washing the resin part in alcohol or whatever you're using to clean off your 3D printed part, you wash it in a hot water and make the support tips nice and soft enough to snap them off. But in many cases it will leave the little dents in the parts. So next technique would be using the clippers, these handy clippers, and basically just going in and snapping them off, right? And it works very well actually. I really like to have a control like that. But sometimes you have, let's say you have a part where there's a long line, or you like to get really precise cleaning because you might not be able to get in with these. So what I found is one of the new tools, which is Phrozen's Sonic Saber. It's made in collaboration with MedWorks. So let's go ahead and open it. All right, so we have some warning labels over here, and we got the manual, I guess, the warranty card, manual to show us some interesting stuff, how to use it, I'm sure, and explanation of the lights and all that. Okay, let's put that to the side. Next you have a pair of gloves, so you don't cut yourself. That's very nice. Cut level 5, not sure what that means, but I'm sure it's useful. And over here we have Sonic Saber. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Over here we have a little screw there, we have little wrench as well, and we have some blades. That's quite a few blades. Oh, a lot of blades. That's very good. I was afraid that it's gonna come only with 1 or 2 blades, but there's a lot of them. That's good. Next we have power adapter. Okay, with US plug. And over here we have Sonic Saber. So let's take it out, hook it up, and test it. Okay, so here we have the Sonic Saber hooked up. Everything is ready to go. You can see I put the gloves on. Now, I don't have big fingers, I don't have a small fingers. This glove is just about right. So this is, yeah, it's just about right. So if you have a bigger, thicker fingers, hands, these gloves might not fit you well. So, but they fit me well. Okay, so let's grab a part to be cleaned. Okay, we have a part over here. Now, what we're gonna do, power it on. And we have a beep and green light over here. And we have the knife itself over here. And what you wanna do is push this, it will change to blue on the unit, and on a handle it will, on the cutter itself, it lights up green. So it's supposed to have 40,000 vibrations per second, and when you push it, you really cannot hear anything. Absolutely nothing. So let's test it. put it to it and whoop, wow, this is like butter. Wow. Barely. Oh, look at that. This is just sweet. That's awesome. Let's see over here. Wow, it's very nice. It's cut in like a butter. Let's try to get, let's put this to the side over here. And let's try to cut this off. Wow, yeah, it's very precise. I mean, you don't really have to use it on these parts. I would definitely use it on when you have a line of supports and you just want to keep going faster. So this is just one, another here. I mean, you cannot hear anything. I don't know if you can see, but you might be able to see a little bit of dust coming on. That's when you cutting the support off. You see that little dust? So you definitely want to use a mask or proper ventilation, because you don't want to breathe all this resin dust, that's for sure. Especially if you go in really close using magnifying glasses or whatever, and you're really above all this dust, and so you don't want to sniff it, that's for sure. So yeah, this is very, very precise. Yeah. Also, what I've seen on other videos here on YouTube, I saw that you can use it to sort of shave off the parts. Let's say when you print a part and it just doesn't fit snugly, you can either use a file, like I have these are just excellent tools when you need. They come in different grids. So I have like 8 of them. There's different. They go from 500 all the way to, I believe, 60 or 80. 80, I think. Yeah, 80 is the most coarser one, which is actually the red one. I think this one. Yeah. So, and they come in about 8 different grids, and they come with plenty of replacement belts. I'm gonna put the link down below so you can check them out, but they're definitely useful. But what I wanted to say is, when you use this one to shave off some parts, you can. Let's try it on this. Sort of sounds like when you go to dentist and he cleans your teeth. Yeah. But it nicely shave off the part right here. I hope you can see it well. Maybe let me get a little bit closer. Yeah. That's very nice, very nice. Now, do you have to buy it? Do you have to have it? Probably not. But if you are professional, if you sell your 3D prints, or you design jewelry and you're using this for jewelry and fine work, it's definitely a plus to have it. I got it. I'm selling my 3D prints on my website and Etsy shop. I'm gonna put the links there as well. And when you sell the prints, you want absolutely best quality for your clients, right? So I think it's definitely something you should check out. It's not cheap. It's about $300 plus minus 20 bucks or whatever, depends where you get it. But it's not cheap. It comes with a bunch of knives, replacement knives. So and it looks like these knives are double-sided, are they? No, actually they're not. Okay, only one-sided. But you see, there's like, I don't know, it's hard to say. There might be like 20, 30 of them. So a lot. Okay, I think it's plenty. And it would be nice though. It would be really nice. Little suggestion to Phrozen. If there was the ability, let me turn it off. You turn it off by holding the power button for about 3 seconds or so. It would be very nice if you had an option to put a little sanding tip or so. Like for instance, I have these little diamond files over here, right, for really detailed work. And it would be nice if you had an option to use something like that for, you know, really detailed work, sanding and filing. So a little suggestion for Phrozen right there. Yeah, so if you have any questions about this particular product and pretty much any other question related to 3D printing, just write it down below. I'll do my best to answer it. And please subscribe. I'm gonna have more stuff coming up regarding the prints, 3D printing, 3D printers, whatever, just suggestions and, you know, my techniques and whatnot. All right, well, thanks for watching.